Welcome to North Vancouver, British Columbia, home to one of Canada's most iconic attractions, Capilano Suspension Bridge Park. Capilano originates from the Squamish word Capilano, meaning beautiful river, named after a respected 19th century Squamish chief. The Capilano exhibit features authentic totem poles by Indigenous artists from the Coast Salish, Haida and other nations. Interpretive signs and talks provide insights into carving traditions, symbolism and oral histories. The bridge was built in 1889 by Scottish civil engineer George Grant Mackay, assisted by August Jack Capilano, a young Coast Salish man. Originally made from hemp rope and cedar planks, then rebuilt in 1903 using wire cables. Over time, the park has changed hands. In 1983, Nancy Stibbard purchased it and elevated it into a renowned ecotourism site. The bridge itself spans 140 metres and hangs 70 metres above the Capilano River. Built from steel cables and reinforced decking, it's strong enough to hold 96 fully grown elephants. Gently sways with foot traffic offering incredible views of the temperate rainforest. On the other side of the bridge lies a lush, old-growth rainforest filled with towering Douglas firs and winding trails. One of the highlights is the treetops adventure, which unfortunately we were unable to do. It's closed at the time for repairs. There's a series of 7 suspension bridges that take you from one majestic tree to another, up to 110 feet above the forest floor. The Raptors Ridge Birds of Prey exhibit is available from spring to summer, May through to September. Features owls, hawks and falcons with expert handlers from the Raptors Ridge Conservation Centre. You can get close encounters with birds like the great horned owl, which you can see here, with falcons and barn owls. Each bird has a unique backstory and adaptive traits. Raptors Ridge is focused on wildlife conservation and public education. Birds rotate daily and return to their free flight homes each night. We booked this trip through Viator. It was run by Land Sea Tours, a little blue bus you'll see at the end of the video. We went through the salmon hatchery, Capilano River, we went to the Suspension Bridge Park, we went to Grouse Mountain, and at the end we were also taken to the Cleveland Dam. It was a great trip, it wasn't too expensive and we really enjoyed it, and we were well looked after. Our guide was brilliant. Launched in 2011, the Cliffwalk consists of narrow walkways bolted to the cliffside, extending 213 metres or 700 feet. It soars 30 stories above the canyon with sections of glass floor for thrilling views. It's built with 16 anchors and rated for 45 tonnes, which is the equivalent of 35 orca whales. Canadian signature experience, it's perfect for adventure shots. Capilano Suspension Bridge Park offers more than adrenaline. It's a journey into local culture, natural beauty and historical storytelling. From ancient trees to ancestral legends, every footstep leads to a deeper connection with this special place. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. This is Dave from Dave and Joe's Travels. Hope you enjoyed.